I'd like to teach you how to position your mouthpiece in your mouth. It's important to know how to do this so you can create a good sound on your instrument, and this is where it all starts. The first step to positioning the mouthpiece inside your mouth is to learn how to bite the mouthpiece. You don't want to use your teeth on the bottom. You want to curl your lip just a little bit over it so it protects the teeth and it protects the reed on your mouthpiece. Then you want to take your thumb and use your thumbnail as a guide and put your thumb in your mouth and feel the thumbnail go just past your lips. While you're doing that, you also want to create a seal around your thumb with your mouth. Create a seal around the mouthpiece. And the thumb, you kind of use it as a guide. If you put the thumbnail just inside your mouth, and you can feel the bottom of your lip go just past your thumbnail, that's a good starting point for your mouthpiece. Some people take a bigger bite than others. It's up to you, each saxophone player, to find a comfortable position for that mouthpiece. Once you have the mouthpiece in your mouth, you do want to create that seal around your mouthpiece, tightening your mouth. You don't want to have puffy cheeks when you play. That's a no-no. But you want to have a tight seal around the mouthpiece so there's no air escaping on the side. So biting the mouthpiece, if you take too small of a bite and you're out here on the tip, you're limiting the airflow inside the horn and you will cause squeaks. Likewise, if you take too big of a bite and put the whole mouthpiece in your mouth, you will create a honking sound and you'll have too much air flowing through your instrument and it's going to be hard to articulate notes. So in review, we talked about how to position the mouthpiece in your mouth. We also talked about the proper way to take a bite of the mouthpiece. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to pick up your saxophone practice log online and track your practice sessions. It's a good way to help you stay consistent with practicing. My name is TJ Spencer. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you next time here on the Saxophone Workshop.